Hey guys, it's Tay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a a 1-minute brownie in a mug. And if you're wondering, hey, what are you looking at? I'm looking at this. Leo. Isn't he cute? Hey, say hey. Okay, I'm going to take this to the kitchen and show you how to make your 1-minute brownie, which is amazing and delicious. So first you will need sugar, then you will need flour, then you will need some sort of cocoa, and I'm just using like cake mix. And you need milk, and you need some butter, and you need to melt it. You will also need a mug and a spoon. 1/4 cup of sugar. So. Okay, I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients first, so. And I'm not really gonna add a fourth. Yeah. Okay. Then you'll need 1/4 cup of flour. Now you need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So. Hold on. Now that you got all your dry ingredients, you mix it up with your spoon, which I lost. Okay, so now that all your dry ingredients are mixed up, now you add in your wet ingredients, which is just melted butter in there. So now that you got all your dry ingredients, you need 2 tablespoons of butter, and I lost my tablespoon, so I'm just gonna guess here, and not that much. That is way too much, I think. Okay, it's actually perfect, so just gonna go ahead and dump it. Oh, bless me. Okay, now that you added your milk, you just mix and mix and mix and mix.
So after you put your milk, you just mix. Keep mixing until it turns into like cake batter.
Okay, so this is what it looked like after I took it out of the microwave after 1 minute. And if it looks like this when you take it out of your microwave, just put it back in there for another minute or another 30 seconds. But that is like, I don't know what that is. Let's see. Oh, it's soft. Ooh. Tastes good. Okay, so this is what it looked like after another 30 seconds in the microwave. So I'm about to eat it because it looks good.